I am here at the farmhouse and I need to work on the drywalling today, and I'm not too excited about it because this is not something I like to do, nor I know how to do. And maybe that's why I don't like to do it. So first thing I need to do is make sure that all the screws are actually sitting in the drywall so I can come back and plaster them. Like this one is not. So they need to be a little bit indented. I'm gonna go around and just make sure all the screws are sitting in, and then I'm gonna start mudding, hopefully. So this new piece is sticking out, so in some places only, so I'm gonna gently hammer them in. If I can. Okay, so I watched some YouTube videos on how to do this. I have no idea what I'm doing, so here we go. I'm going to start from the top. And I'm going to put on paper tape, seam tape. And you're supposed to put a thick coat. I'm also pushing it in a little bit, hopefully give it a better strength. Because I do have big gaps in between my drywall pieces. So smooth that out a little. Let's see. I'm going to start from here. Except the wall is not even, so it's gonna be fun. They make it look so easy. It's totally not easy. Because I really don't have a good handle on this. I might have to go watch another video on how to really do this. They make it sound so easy. And it's not. Alright, so I watched a quick video about this that says if you have an uneven seam, instead of trying to tape the joints, really, you have to even the joint first. Is actually put some water into the mud so it's a little bit looser, because I think it was just too dry. And mix that all up. And now I'm just putting mud on this. I'll just overfill it for now. And then the top, I'm gonna remove that, because I know that sticks out anyway. And then I'm gonna use this wider spackler to smooth it out. Look at that. That looks pretty good to me for the first coat. I might go over it again just to get rid of any excess. Okay. So I'm gonna do that today and let that all dry, and then I can come back and tape this nicely. Yeah, good job. So I'm done with the first coat of the drywall mud, which is just to even out the gap between the old existing panel versus the new panels. And next time I'm here, once this is all dried and cured, then I'm gonna put on the seams, because that's what the expert says. And I like to give credit to the Vancouver carpenter, who had a really short, nice, right to the point video as to what to do when your seams don't match up. And that made my life so easy, because this only took me about, I don't know, an hour or less, including the cleaning that I had to do afterwards, but I think it looks pretty good. See you next time.